In the vast tapestry of human history, shamanism stands out as one of the earliest spiritual practices. Originating in the Paleolithic period, it is as old as the artwork on the caves of Lascaux. Shamanism, in essence, is a spiritual tradition centered on the belief that shamans, individuals with access and influence in the spirit world, can heal, foretell the future, and control supernatural forces. Across the continents, from the frozen tundras of Siberia to the lush Amazon rainforests, shamanistic practices have shaped cultures and societies. The Siberian Evenki people, for example, coined the term shaman, which translates to the one who knows. Shamans were, and still are, revered as wise healers, mediators between the human and spirit worlds. In the vastness of the African continent, shamanism is deeply embedded in the fabric of many cultures. The Sangomas of South Africa, the Dagara tribe's shamans in Burkina Faso, they all use their spiritual gifts to heal and guide their communities. Across the Pacific, in the indigenous cultures of the Americas, shamanism has played a crucial role. From the Navajo healers in the Southwest to the Shipibo shamans of Peru, these individuals harness their spiritual powers to maintain harmony in their communities. But what does this all mean in the context of racial unity? Shamanism, in its essence, transcends geographical boundaries, racial divisions, and cultural differences. It serves as a reminder that beneath the surface of our physical differences, we are all connected, not just to each other, but to the world around us. Through their practices, shamans across the globe echo the same message. We are part of a larger, interconnected whole. In the grand scheme of things, shamanism underscores the unity of the human race. It is a testament to our shared heritage, our common spiritual needs, and our collective search for meaning. It signifies that the same spiritual forces that guide a shaman in the Siberian tundra also guide a Sangoma in the heart of Africa, a Navajo healer in the American Southwest, and shamans of Peru. To summarize, this exploration into shamanism provides a glimpse into the spiritual thread that weaves us all together. It serves as a vivid reminder of our shared human experience, irrespective of our racial or cultural identities. Shamanism, in its own way, is a beacon for racial unity, illuminating the path towards mutual understanding, respect, and ultimately, peace. So, as we navigate the complexities of racial unity, perhaps we could draw inspiration from the shamans of old and new. Recognize that beneath our skin, we all share the same spiritual blueprint. And in this recognition, we may find the keys to unity and harmony.